Today's video we're going to look at creating flow modes with your Windows 7, 8, 10 Environics series 4000, 4040, and 4020 software. Last week we looked at how to create concentration modes and edit them. Flow modes are very much the same, so today we're going to take a quick look at that. It's important to have already set up your unit, so watching our earlier videos will show you how to do that, how to import your system's data, how to create the cylinders, how to create a profile, and how to attach those cylinders to the profile. So those steps have already been completed here, and we're going to jump right into a flow mode. So you begin on the left-hand side of the screen by clicking on Flow. It's possible that when you open, your system will look like that. If you look at this little drop down here, that's what will show you these modes. So make sure that you've opened up that drop down. Click on Flow Mode and Add. First step will be to give a name to the mode, and that can be anything that helps you to identify it. I'm just going to call it the very generic Blend 1. Down below, you can see the list of your cylinders with this drop down, and it shows you which physical port they're connected to. I've connected something to each of the first 4 ports on my unit, and you can put as few or as many cylinders in a mode as you need. So you could have flow mode that was just nitrogen like this, or you could add additional. So for the first one, let's go ahead and add 3. We'll add our CO2, our nitrogen, and our SO2. So once all of the gases cylinders are added to your flow mode, you'll need to add the target flows. In this case, my nitrogen flow controller is a 5 liter. So I try and put anything above that, such as 6 liters. It's going to not let me do that. It's going to default back to 0. So let's put this at 5,000 cc's. If you wanted to change it to liters, you can actually double click on the units and change it from cc's to liters if you desire. The second flow controller, I'm going to say we'll do that at 2 liters, and my third, my SO2, we'll do it 200 cc's. Once these are all inputted, you can see here it'll show you not only which port, which you've assigned, but also which MFC. So for 4000, this would be the same in most cases. For 4040 or 4020 though, the unit will assign the correct MFC determined by which flow you select. So for example, right now, port 2 is using MFC2 for the 2 liters, and we're using MFC3 for the 200 cc's. But if we change the flows so that the carbon dioxide is flowing at 100 cc's, the SO2 is flowing at 2 liters, here you'll see that port 2 is now using MFC3 and port 3 is now using MFC2. So once you have everything entered here as you want it, you simply click Save, and the flow mode is saved here as Blend 1. To edit, click on the pencil, and then make any changes you need to make. Let's say I want to make the flow from nitrogen 4 liters, and then again click Save. So pretty simple. If you want to copy, so say I need to make a very similar flow mode to this, I would select the mode that I want to copy, click the copy button, and for example, let's say I want the same thing but without any carbon dioxide. I would simply clear that line that I've selected and save. Noting that duplicate names are not allowed. Give it a new name and click Save. The last button here on the top would be the delete button. So select the flow mode that you want to delete, click delete, and then just confirm that you want to delete that particular mode. In order to run a flow mode, you select the mode you want, and you click the start button. Once you've done that, you'll see the timer will begin. You'll hear your unit begin to flow. When you're done, simply click on the stop button. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you. Follow our blog for more information on using our newest software, or call or email us if you have any questions.